Hi guys, welcome back to my channel like Saga City and Happy New Year 2021 in advance. I wish you all a wonderful, blessed and also prosperous new year. So this video is regarding 9th January 2021 IELTS test prediction. So actually most of the students are confused regarding the test date whether it having both academic and general module or not. Actually it's an academically test date. Okay, and IDB's British Council is going to conduct their exams. Here you can see that IELTS global test date for 2021, and for 9th of January it's academic only test date, and 16th and 21st is the academic with general module test date. Okay, so 9th and 23rd of January is academic only test date because so many students asked the same question. That's why I'm clarifying that. So let's start out with our prediction video. So as usual, we will start out with the listening module. So in listening module, you can expect there will not be any more changes in listening module in the coming year. So in part one, you can expect fill up type of question that also up to 2 words, and this part will be an easy one. And in part two, you can expect short MCQs, that is multiple choice question along with map completion. So it's an academic only test date, so you can expect map. And this part will also be an easy one. And in part 3, you can expect match the information type of question along with large MCQs. So you can expect more MCQ type of question in part 3, especially they will ask large MCQs. The question will be little bit lengthy, so you should properly use the time in between. Just go through all the questions. That means you want to practice eye reading. So this part will be in a moderate level, and in part 4 you can expect fill up type of question that will be one word only fill up, and in part 3 and also part 4 the audio will be little bit fast. So that's about your listening module. So practice more, try to do more listening. Now we will see regarding the reading module. So in passage 1 you will get match the information type of questions, most probably list of heading. Then you can expect fill up type of question that will be in the form of sentence completion and also flow chart completion. So this passage will be an easy one, and in passage 2 you can expect true false not given type of question along with fill ups again. Okay, along with selection of letters. So selection of letters in the sense they will give one question along with 4 or 5 options, then you want to select any one or two. So this passage will be in a moderate level. Then moving on to passage 3, you can expect yes, no, not given type of question along with multiple choice question. You can expect 4 to 5 multiple choice question and also summary completion. Summary completion may be in one word only or up to 2 words. So this passage will be in an easy to moderate level. So overall, your reading section will be in moderate level, but it's based on your capability only. If you are practicing well means your listening will be an easy one. So many students requested to suggest some books to practice other than Cambridge materials. So here you can see that you can utilize Cambridge materials because the exams are conducted by them. So the first preference will also be for Cambridge materials, and also the official guide from Cambridge, and also IELTS trainer. Like that, so many materials are from Cambridge. So first try to do that. Then after that you can use Makar materials, Collins, then Barons, other so many materials are there. So you can download that from that in the form of PDF from internet, or you can buy the books from Amazon and all. Okay, now we will see regarding the writing module. First, we will see regarding task 1. So, you know that you have 20 minutes of time. You will get an infographic structure and you want to write a report with minimum 150 words. So, you can write up to 200 words and all. So, there will not be any additional sheet for task 1. You know that. So, here this time you can expect bar chart, line chart, table, or the combination of any two along with map. That also diachronic map. That means the map of same place in different time. Then try to concentrate more on the structure. And also I want to make you clear that don't write any numerical data in overview. Okay. And try to write the overview just after the introduction. in separate paragraph. Okay, then you can divide your body paragraph into 2 to 3. Now we will see regarding the task 2. So here this time you can expect opinion type of essay. They will be asking in the form of do you agree or disagree, or to what extent or how far do you agree or disagree, or in the form of positive or negative development. So some of the students misunderstood that the positive or negative development. That means is it a positive or negative development? Like that, the question is asking means it's coming under discussion type. It's not coming under discussion type. It's an type of opinion type of essay only. So you can expect in any manner. Okay. Then along with that, you should concentrate on opinion with the discussion type of essay. That means discuss both views and state your opinion, or discuss the advantage and disadvantage and state your opinion. So there is less chance to get to the discussion only type of essay. Okay, along with this, you want to concentrate on problem solution essay too. So you know that sometimes they will give the problem and they will be asking to write what all are the reasons or what all are the causes, and you can suggest some solutions. Or else they will give some situation and they will ask you to write what all are the problems, and you can suggest some solutions or what all are the effect in the society. Okay, so you can expect in any ways. So there is a 30 percentage of chance to get problem solution essay too. So you want to concentrate on these three type of essays, and you should be familiar with the structure, the cohesive devices you want to use, how to divide the body paragraph, what all things you want to include in the body paragraph, and don't forget to write examples too. Now we will see what all are the topics you want to be prepared for your test date. Okay, so here is the essay topics. So the first one is education. So related to schools, curriculum, exam, assessment, or about the uniform, wearing of uniform, then homeschooling, then corporal punishments, about the teachers, or traditional classroom versus online learning, or about the boys and girls study science, or education should be free for everyone. Like that, any questions you can expect. Then second topic is health and food. So, related to food, they will be asking about factory farming or fast food, packaged food, vegetarian diet, preservatives in food. Then, under health, the prevention, about the cure, the responsibility for public related to health or health management. Then, role of government. Then, about the exercises. Then, after that, the language, English as a only global language, about the globalization. Then, online translation programs, then about the foreign language influence, whether the children want to learn foreign language from primary schools and all. Then the next one is news, then about anything related to news and media, or about TV, so online news platforms and all. Then about society and world issues, about homelessness, happiness, then generation gap, about traditional lifestyle, then importance of traditional lifestyle, or any cultural diversities. Okay, then you can expect the questions related to world issues also, overpopulation, aging problems, global warming, globalization, about the gap between the rich and the poor, then about the government role in any aspects, then about internet and also the computer, so about the technology saturated world, social media influence, then about the online shopping, or the influence of media in children. Then also questions related to tourism and also transportation, about tourism, ecotourism, then about any type of traveling experience, culture exploitation, then the congestion in cities, traffic congestion, about spending on money on railways or other transportation facilities, then increased public vehicles, sorry, private vehicles, so anything related to that. Okay, so these all are the topics you want to be prepared for your test date. So always try to collect some opposing arguments and also some supporting points. Then you can apply for any type of question. So that's all. So try to prepare well, practice well. Okay. So if there is any changes in the format or anything means, or any updates means, I will inform you as soon as possible. And at last, I wish to introduce one book with you, that is from Cambridge. This was written by Raymond Murphy, and it's regarding the English grammar. Most of the students are facing problem with grammar, so grammatical errors will lose your score. especially in writing and also in speaking. So it's better to study with this whenever you get time. There are lots of exercises in this book, so try to do that. I will provide the link in the description box. If you want, means you can download it and use it. Okay, so it's better to take the printout, and or else you will get it in Amazon or any other media, so you can download or you can buy the book. Okay, so it's the best book to study grammar. Okay, so that's all about this video. So all the very best for your test. And if you like this video, means please give thumbs up and share with your friends who are planning to take their exams by next year. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So try to select the all option to you, then only you will be notified about all the videos which I'm going to upload. So stay tuned and I will be back. Thank you so much.